my God, that is ridiculous. Oh, my adrenaline is rushing like crazy. Holy crap. Wow, I'm glad I didn't got here quicker. Holy moly. Pretty sure that's the news people right there. Oh my God, I gotta get up a little more. Holy crap. Yeah, he's a storm chaser. He got a camera on the front of his car. That shit is crazy. I'm gonna follow that guy. I think he knows where he's going.
Intensified, and it almost got us. It intensified right on top of us. It's amazing. It's a half-mile wide. Killer tornado just crossed Gregory Road. It's now going to cross Northwest Expressway in about a minute. It's crossing Northwest Expressway right now. Right now, Mike, it's crossing Northwest Expressway. It's a maxi tornado. It's a half-mile wide, no doubt about it. It looks just like it did an hour and a half ago. Deadly, deadly, deadly tornado, Mike, coming down the northwest sides of the metro. Back to you.
Oh shoot!
Okay, Piedmont, your time's up. You gotta be out of the way. Below ground, get out of the way.
I'm not going into that.
Yeah, tornado warning for Northwest Oklahoma City and Deer Creek, Edmond as well. That is a violent maxi tornado, and it's a grinder, and it's coming into Piedmont right now. It's on the west side of Piedmont right now. There's damaging winds all around. You saw the power pole literally snap in two where David was located, and he's like a half mile away from it. The power pole just snapped in two. You saw it happen live. That's just around the tornado, and those winds are 100 miles an hour. So it's right here on the west side of Piedmont, crossing Northwest Highway right now. Deer Creek, Edmond, just to the northwest of Mercy. Southwest OKC. Okay, let's go to the North Doppler. Look at the velocities.
Holy crap! It's right there.
It's over Northwest Piedmont right now.
Holy crap!
Right here. That's going to be at 15th
snap.
Road, 33rd, and out there at Piedmont Road on the west side of Piedmont Road is where it is right now. Showing over 200 mile per hour wind shear, so it could be an EF4, potentially approaching an EF5. It's a violent tornado. Let's go back to the storm tracker.
Holy
tornado
moly.
warning's in effect now for Grady. There's a new tornado warning for Grady County.
Too close
now, is that the
to
one
this
down
thing.
in southern Grady or northern Grady? All right, back down. Back down. We're gonna shift gears here. Back to this one in just a second. Down here south. This one right. Yep. This one right here.
Holy crap! What's going on? I'm gonna follow these cars because.
City, is that right? Okay. This is for Southwest Oklahoma City, Steve. Truck down there. We gotta get them heads up on that. Coming over to Southwest Oklahoma City. This is Bethany, Yukon, Mustang, Central Oklahoma City, including downtown. Now I gotta ask you again. That's the one. There's one down. It's the one. Tornado warning, northern. Okay, that's it. Tornado warning, northern Grady, southern and southeastern Canadian, into Oklahoma County. Tornado warning near Union City right now. Tornadoes coming in to southwest Oklahoma City. Different storm than the Piedmont storm. You folks in this part of the city, you gotta be ready to find your safe spot. We don't have reports of a violent tornado right now, but it's so violent.
Oh, it was damaged. Oh, shoot. Holy crap. Wow. You guys can't, I don't know if you can see that. Holy crap. That's wet. Oh. There's telephone poles down everywhere. Thank you.
So it's now in North Piedmont, damaging winds on the south side of I-20 through Piedmont right now. Jim, give us an update there on the camera. When you see it, it's on the northern side of Piedmont right now. Okay, all right. Say that again. All right, so far we're going to have Freeze to Concho, check out the quotes from the ham radio operator. Say it again, Hank. Okay, Jim, give us an update. When you see it, north side of Piedmont.
Center screen, Chuck. Back to the left a little bit.
It's real hazy.